Isha again from Ahilya, and today I would like to tell you more about our culture. Due to COVID, we have moved to our in-laws' house in Himachal Pradesh. It's a beautiful hilly area, and this is where actually we have, after meeting couple of village families and started staying in a village, I realized that more about how busy the woman life is. And so I started to give them a source of income also. I mean, they are doing their work but actually not earning anything from themselves. So I thought of approaching them, and this is the very first family we have approached. We provide them some swing machine, and they are doing really good because during their schools they have learned a little bit about the swing, because in this part of the country the girls sometimes are not very much educated, but their parents make sure that they at least can stitch, so that they can make fabrics for their family and can tie the button and all those basic things. So this is the very first family we have approached in Himachal who can make some nice fabrics for us. So we've given them small projects to see that how they are working on it. So gradually, once they're doing much better, we'll give them bigger projects like quilts. So I'll take you. First of all, I also would like to tell you that they are living in a traditional house which is 100 years old. You can see the wood, and even the roof is also made of wood, you can see, and the slate roof. This is where they live. It's a joint family, and when we approach them, all the ladies of all age are really willing to join our Ahilya family. And I'll take you and show you how they are working this way. This is how they're working. So first of all, they're working on some cushions. This is how they sew it and make a front of a cushion cover. We'll add some borders later on it to make it look much attractive and formal. We give them this, and also these are the kurtis they have designed for us for Ahilya, and you will be seeing them soon on our website as well. See this one, see the buttons, the detail they have done. This is another one, again a simple kurti. So these are the kurtis they have made so far, because as I told you, we are not a very big family at the moment and we have taken a very small step. So it's not that we have a bulk production, we have limited production, and each family, what we are trying to do, give them one dress material each to make. So now look at this one, see the details. This is their own creativity, we have not told them. This is they done themselves, and a little cut here. So you might have observed that this is a similar fabric. So what we are doing is that we are not wasting any material. Whatever fabric is left over, we are trying to utilize to make something out of it. Either cushion or a runner or a mat. So you can see this. They are also now working on some jackets and doing little work. So this is the entire family involved in this. Mothers, daughter-in-law, even the grandmother is also involved in supporting Ahilya, and we are supporting them. It's like a family, everyone helps each other. The weather at this place is always good. And this is their traditional kitchen. So there is a lot more to show. If I go village to village, every village is beautiful, have their unique qualities. I hope you like our second video, and I again ask you a favor to follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and we will come up with our next video soon. Thank you so much for watching this, and please follow us. Thank you. Namaste.